Uganda's business process outsourcing sector is registering increasing demand from offshore companies, which give it the capacity to remain competitive in the ICT sector in the region. The growth is attributed to the increasing need for companies to outsource most parts of their process in a bid to cut costs but remaining efficient.
It's called business issue. But alongside that, they have day-to-day other businesses that they run. They have other processes that they are running. For example, a telecom company, its core business is selling airtime, but then they have to run payroll for their employees.
The government has identified ICT as a core strategy for enhancing public service delivery. Business process outsourcing business in Uganda is becoming very competitive, and companies that provide these services need to adhere to strictly set standards in order to register better positive results. As a technology-enabled company, efforts have been made to enable people get services cheaply via their mobile phones. This will be through relaying crucial information on critical issues such as health and finance.
Most countryside people can also access a cheap phone. Then we can be able to pass on this message to them, or this solution to them.
To achieve the benefits that abound this sector, there is need for a partnership between the government, the private sector and the outsourcing sector. China and India are examples of economies that have taken outsourcing seriously and are reaping the benefits. According to Professor Vanessius Bariamuleba, internet access in Uganda still remains the biggest challenge in the country, especially in the rural areas, making it lag behind Rwanda and Kenya.
Rwanda has moved because as a country, when you say, the districts in Uganda, a district may be a quarter of another district, but they get the same resources when people are looking at funding. So Rwanda has taken advantage of that. It is a country. It gets funding from partners like Uganda, but Uganda is much bigger than Rwanda.
Currently, the common business process outsourcing services in Uganda include management of call centers, branding, website marketing, e-marketing, payroll management, customer care, sales and advertising. However, for the sector to grow, develop and contribute to the GDP of the country like its counterparts in China and India, there is need for a strong collaborative effort between the government and the industry leaders in the private sector. Beatrice Nyangoma for Top TV Business.